Hello to all. So I have bought a new deck from Bookswagon and it is Attract and Create the Love You Desire True Love Oracle by Belinda Grace. So I will be unboxing this in front of you and I will show you card by card what is the quality and whether you would like to purchase this deck from the same publisher. The publishers are Rockpool Publishing. So just wait and be with me during the unboxing of the deck. The box is really nice. The finish is really good. So one of the guidebook is provided with this, if we can see that. So I just scroll down. A very smooth finish of the booklet, very nice. There are 36 cards in it. This is the introduction and the literature is given for the usage of the card. After that, each and every card description is given one by one with the color images. Mostly the guidebook have black and white images of the card, but here it is colored one. Chivalry, commitment, compatibility, connection, creativity, dating, distorted feminine, distorted masculine, divine feminine, and all the information has been given for all the 36 cards. And after that, the last one is yin yang, and just after that there is an acknowledgement and information about the author and the illustrator. Okay, so it's a nice booklet with 90 pages information in it. Okay, now this is the information which is given regarding the app where we can actually download the oracle cards or the tarot cards published by the Rockpool Publishing House. These are really nice gilded cards. The back cover is like this, really smooth in touch. These are not gilded, but yes, the quality is really nice. The card stock is, I think, probably 350 GSM, and if you see the flexibility, it is quite good. Okay, so it is fine. Now I will just give you a flip through of the cards. This is the one, abundance. Second, boundary. Third, chivalry. Fourth, commitment. Fifth, compatibility. Sixth, connection. Seventh, creativity. Eighth, dating. Ninth, the distorted feminine. 10th, the distorted masculine. 11th, the divine feminine. 12th, the divine masculine. 13th, emotional freedom. 14th, forgiveness. 15th, the garden. 16th, the gardener. 17th, the inner peace. 18th, intimacy. 19th, life purpose. 20, love. 21, luminosity. 22, manifestation. 23, maturity. 24th, rainbow revolver. 25th, reparenting yourself. 26th, resolving conflicts. 27th, sacred woman. 28th, self-respect. 29th, serendipity. 30th, sexual freedom. 31, sexuality. 32, the silver waterfall. 33, the soulmate. 34, spiritual maturity. 35th, worthiness. And the 36th, yin yang. The picturization of the person which Belinda has actually taken into account is really nice. Each and every detail is very much smooth, as if the pictures are actually first of all painted, and this gives a lot of information when we see the card in depth. So I think this will actually help you in all the love relationship reads. So have a look into the deck, and if at all you just click on to the images, and if you think that this will actually give you a insight in your intuition and help you in the love relationship reads for the others, just take this, because these are 36 in number, but still a lot of information is there in each and every card if you see. Okay, so all the best if you are purchasing the deck, and thank you. Good day.